Alright, so let's do a quick review on what we're going to take camping. We'll start off with the tent. I'm doing the Coleman 6-man dome tent. The reason for a 6-man dome tent, one, I have the space because I use a all aluminum 18 cubic foot trailer. It has torsion bars, can handle over 600 pounds of weight, and I pull it with a 2016 Gold Wing. I've installed extra USB ports and charging systems. I also carry extra fuel. So let's just review the camping gear. And yes, I always take extra fuel with me in case I get to a location that fuel is scarce. I've got a hatchet. You see the black duct tape with electric tape. Channel locks. I also take a breaker bar because the rear tire on a Gold Wing is the same size as the lugs on my trailer. I bring plenty of parachute cord, rubber mallet for stakes, screwdriver, toolkit. I also use a air compressor with plugs, Allen wrenches, screwdrivers, etc. I keep in there. No camping trip would be without a coffee pot. Can't go camping without coffee. I use a camping pot kit. Has the plates, spoons, forks. Being interrupted by my goats. I don't know if you can see in the distance. We have 16 goats on the ranch. And they're all upset. They haven't gotten their morning feed yet. They're very spoiled. So back to the camping gear. I use Dawn. I keep a couple rolls of paper towels. And as far as flashlights, I have one here and I'll show you a rechargeable later. I keep 2 sweatshirts, a can opener, military style P38, an extra lighter in there. Plenty of coffee. That's just one of my containers of coffee. As far as tarps, I keep a 10 by 10 for underneath the tent and a 12 by 10 over top of the tent. Everybody complains about rain getting in the tent. I find no issues with this setup. I have my rain gear and I keep a 2-burner stove. It's a Coleman Fold and Go, works very well. And I keep 2 gas containers with me. I have a 38 quart cooler I keep in the trailer also. That way I have plenty of drinks, beer, water, etc. My cot is a Cot and Go. Folds up really nice and works very well and comfortable. I carry 2 extra extension poles for the 12 by 10 tarp so that I have a walkway into the tent that's dry. My pillow of choice is a air-filled, very comfortable. And then I have my sleeping bag. It's not that warm of a sleeping bag. It only goes down to 32 degrees, quote unquote. However, once you get past 40, it gets quite cold. I keep in a range of food with me: canned ham, canned chicken, top ramen, more coffee, some peanut butter, some vegetables, and some forks in case I want to eat on the road. As far as in the back of my bike, I always keep my Bible, a lock for the front wheel, extra wiring for my cell phone, some elastic straps, extra lighter, and this plugs into my power port that comes off the battery, so I actually can go 15 feet with that. As far as sprays, etc., I keep it in the bag. I have my windshield cleaners for water, bug spray, Lysol, suntan lotion, and a cleaner for my helmet, windshield. And that's what I keep in the back of the bike. Plenty of rags to keep everything clean on the road. As far as, there's my overnight case. I have a bug zapper with a light that I keep for the tent. This is a rechargeable light. It has a magnet and has multiple settings. And like I said, USB rechargeable, works really well. I keep 2 battery packs. These are very interesting. They're 100 amp hours, and they'll charge my cell phones multiple times each. So they're really nice to have. Now, what am I trying to accomplish this trip is to hit the other 48 states, the rest of my 48 states, the West Coast. Plus, I'm going to do a coast-to-coast challenge for Iron Butt Association. I've done my silver, my gold, my 1,000. I've got those accomplished. So this will be a coast-to-coast in 50. And I'll share hopefully some of that video. So that's kind of my setup. It's simple. It works. I've done a few extras on the bike, not much. One of the things I really want to do soon is get the Bluetooth set up for the speakers, so everything goes through the speaker system. However, right now everything is set up through my helmet. Any comments would be appreciated. Have a great day.